Hi, I'm Janet Ferraro, and today I want to talk to you about using a walnut Alkyd medium in your oil paint and how to mix it, how much to use, and why it may benefit you in your painting process. Today I'll be demonstrating using the walnut Alkyd medium by M. Graham, and I do like to use an eyedropper when adding the Alkyd to the oil paint. I'm putting out 1 inch of oil paint to 3 drops of Alkyd medium. This is a really good ratio. Now you can use a little bit more Alkyd. I've heard of artists using up to 7 or 8 drops. You'll have to gauge this on your own, but it's really important not to use too much. A little bit is exactly what you need to use. Then just mix it together thoroughly using a palette knife. The word Alkyd actually does mean acid. So what it does to the oil paint when added to it is that it breaks down the properties of the oil paint and then increases the drying time. Now, it is recommended that you do use the Alkyd medium sparingly. You don't want to use too much. Like I demonstrated, I only used 3 drops for 1 inch of oil paint. Some people use a little bit more. You'll have to gauge that on your own, but you certainly don't want to use too much. The Alkyd medium is non-toxic, it's archival, and it does increase the transparency of the paint, and it does add a little more sheen to the paint, which many people find very beautiful. So it really is a wonderful medium to try, experiment. Just remember, don't use too much. Be sparing with how much you add to your paint. I hope you enjoy this process like I do. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. And I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. And have a wonderful day and enjoy the painting process. Thank you. Bye.